Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
My name's Florence Lubega. I came here with my father, George Spire Ralibbala, for a heart operation. My father needed to do tests, obviously, to look at the condition of his heart, and all the tests that were needed to be done were done in one day. Right from morning, this hospital staff was with us, taking us from one department to the next, one office to the next, one doctor to the next, one physician to the next, including the surgeon who was going to be conducting the surgery. The surgery was then conducted on Thursday. One of the things that I was struck with was the very friendly staff. My dad was in ICU, CT ICU, when he was taken out of surgery. And the CT ICU staff in particular, I would like to say thank you. He was in a room where he had a 24 round-the-clock nurse. And these nurses never left the room, and they were always observing and taking notes, and I felt like we had all the care that we could have at that point. It was a service that I've never ever experienced in my entire life, and we've spent the entire time here talking about how we could replicate that in where we come from in Uganda. Dr. Rao in particular has been pretty instrumental. He was a recommendation from a friend, and I want to say to the friend, thank you, and to Dr. Rao, your professionalism, your calmness, your humility is, again, something to I will take away with me. I am humbled, I am grateful, and I thank God. I really, truly thank God that this experience has gone as great as it has. Thank you for the opportunity.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.